Today is the last day for you guys to redeem for certain Hyatt properties at a low rate. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you might already know, Hyatt changes their redemption category on their award chart every year. And today is the last day for you guys to lock in the lower rates for certain properties. So you want to listen to this one right now because you don't have much time. Now, you're going to want to watch until the end of the video to find out how you can actually pre-book some of these resorts at the lower rate, to lock in that lower rate without even having enough points in your account. Okay, so you want to stay tuned. At 8 a.m. Central Time on March 25th, Hyatt is going to increase certain properties award category from 4 to 5, which means you can't use your free night certificate that's from category 1 to category 4. Those will be even harder to use, and it's already kind of hard to use now. And also, other properties are going to be changed from category 7 to category 8, which means if you have one of those category 1 to 7 free night certificate, you're also going to be out of luck. So you will want to make your redemption right now because you don't have much time. Okay, so before 8 a.m. Central Time, March 25th. So let's see what are the actual changes and which property is the one that you might want to redeem now. So let's look at category 4 to category 5 first. Okay, so the one that stood out to me is there's actually a lot of hotels in Tokyo that's gonna be affected by this negative change, which makes sense. I mean, everyone and their grandma wants to go to Japan right now. So it makes sense that they are changing the category. So let's take a look. From category 4 to category 5, I see Hyatt House in Tokyo Shibuya. I stayed there myself this year. It's really nice and it's really centrally located right off of the Shibuya station. So you definitely want to lock this one in. Another one is Hyatt Regency in Tokyo, and this one I believe is in Shinjuku. You also want to get that one as well if you want to be closer to Shinjuku. Another one that I see is Hyatt Regency Koh Samui in Thailand. That one's also very popular. It's quite expensive too. If I'm not wrong, I think they go for $600 to $800 or even up to $1,000 per night. So you want to lock that in. Use your free night certificates, as well as a Newport Beach. Hyatt Regency Newport Beach is also going to be category 4 to category 5. And even if you're just using points, a category 4 standard redemption rate is 15,000 points. But once it becomes category 5, it's going to be 20,000 points per night. So you want to lock that in. So the next one is category 7 to category 8. A big one, huge one here is the Grand Hyatt Kauai Resort. That one's so popular. I know someone who just went last year and they loved it and they want to go again. So make sure to lock that in. Use your category 1 to 7 free night certificate. Another one is going to be in Tokyo. Again, it's going to be the Andaz Tokyo and then the Grand Hyatt Tokyo. Okay, so those are going to be moving from category 7 to 8. There's one that's closed right now, Park Hyatt Tokyo. If you watch the movie Lost in Translation, it's basically that's the backdrop of that entire movie. Unfortunately, you can't really pre-book that one. So that one's going to be category 8 as well. And the last one I want to touch on is a super popular one. Andaz Peninsula Papagayo Resort in Costa Rica. My good friend Phil and Connie actually did go last year and I'm super jealous. So I clear out all of my Hyatt points for 4 nights there. So if you're interested, make sure that you do the same. Go on there and pre-book for category 7 rate. Okay, and the category 7 rate right now for a standard redemption is 35,000 points. But by the time they change to category 8, it's going to be 40,000 points. So you don't want that. All right, guys. So how can you actually pre-book some of these hotels at the lower rate without having enough points? This is what you'll do. If you are a Hyatt globalist, and you have to be a globalist for this one. So this is actually a or it's called advanced booking feature for a globalist. What you want to do is you want to call your Hyatt concierge at the number shown down below, okay? And call that number and tell them, hey, I am a globalist. I want to pre-book or make an advanced booking for this hotel. I don't have enough points, and they will actually do it for you. And the goal is that you have to have enough points a week before your stay. If you don't, they'll either cancel it or they will actually change it to the cash rate, which is not what you want, okay? So make sure that you're actually going to have enough points later on, but you don't have to have enough points at the moment. And if you think about it, that actually opens the door to a lot of different vacations because you can just go ahead and search the Hyatt website and see where you want to go and just call them and lock in those rates, and you can always cancel later on, right? But I mean, don't go too extreme and book 100 different places, but you know, the ones that reasonably you think you're going to go, just give them a call. I actually did that for Costa Rica. I actually want to go for 5 nights. I only have enough points to go for 4 nights, so I make my booking for 4 nights, and then I call my Hyatt concierge, and she was able to make the advanced booking for me for that one extra night at 35,000 points because it's a category 7. Go ahead and do that, okay? Make sure the key is do it now. Don't wait, do it now. All right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this can really help you. I hope I also earn a like on the video and a subscription from you. And I'll see you guys next time. All right, guys. Bye.